car enthusiasts, it's DCS right back again, and it's another cool weekend. Or no, actually no, every day is a weekend, so yeah, let's just say it's another Saturday, guys. And I've got here is an RC car, so it's the RC car series, guys. It's a Firelap RC car, a 1/18 scale. It's from CH Toys, and over here I have is the McLaren MP4 12C, guys, the mostly forgotten McLaren. It's a cool car with a weird name. It actually sounds like a DVD player, you know, the MP4 12C. Well, yeah, can't help it. It's a McLaren, so it's a really cool one. I actually reviewed a McLaren MP4 12C previously, guys. It was also an RC car. It was a white one. It was an old video, guys. So you might be asking me the same question, like, why did I bring the same model? Guys, I'm having a hard time finding cars now because due to this quarantine situation, it's really locked me up. I can't go find, you know, the cars just like that. So I was lucky to get my hands on this. So yeah, this time it is a really cool McLaren. So before we get into the unboxing and stuff, we gotta talk about the last week's video. Well, it was the car sketches, guys. So I hope you guys like my new sketches, and I've got a lot of appreciating comments. Thank you guys, I really appreciate that. Like, I couldn't make it this far without you. So yeah, what are we waiting for? Let's just unbox and see what this car is having for us. Okay guys, so here we haven't unboxed the car yet because I just wanted to show you around the box. So yup, here it says that it includes 1.2 volt 4 batteries, and a charger is also included. And yup, it's pretty basic functions we have got over here with the charging port and, you know, the 4 batteries and the on and off switch, the wheel adjustments. So it's pretty basic, and yeah, we've got the regular instructions. And this Firelap RC cars come with 2. You've got the Lamborghini Gallardo and the McLaren MP4 12C. So yeah, I really wish to get the Gallardo, but you know, I just didn't get it. So yep guys, let's just unbox the car right now. Let's see what it has, you know, in the package inclusives. Alright guys, so here we are in the package inclusives, and yep, this is what I got from the box. At first, we've got the McLaren MP4 12C, the car itself. It is a very cool detailed McLaren, guys. Like, actually, it's very nice. And talking about its batteries, you've got 4 700 MHz 1.2 volt batteries, which is in total 4.8 volt batteries. The NICD, very common one, guys, you know, in these RC cars. Well, you have the AC/DC adapter right here, which puts out up to, well, it puts out 250 megahertz, guys. That's 4.8 volt output. Well, yeah, that's a fairly normal charger right there. And you've got the cool remote over here. It is actually pretty nice. It's comfortable to hold. But the only thing that disappoints me is that it does not have a power indicator. Rather than that, it is very nice, guys. The comfortable positioning. It's a very cool 27 megahertz remote. Well, yup, and the very common question which is being asked is that how much time should I charge these batteries? It's actually 3 hours, guys. Don't worry about the, you know, the overcharging and stuff. It's 3 hours. You have to, from a dead start, you have to charge the batteries up to 3 hours so that you can play for a much longer time. Well, yup, guys. Why don't we discuss the features and details of this McLaren right here? So let's go for it. Okay, so now going for the details and features of the McLaren MP4 12C right here, guys. So it has a fairly standard function of the forward, reverse, left and right, guys. So leaving that, the best part is its detailings, guys. For example, take a look at its front headlamps. It's much more glossier than any other RC car I've had till now. It's way too glossy, and the interior detailings of this is so damn cool, guys. And of course, the vent of the car, it's pretty slick. It's so damn nice. And as we move on to the interior, very cool detail on the inside, guys. I really like that grayish paint which they have done in some areas of the car. For example, the AC vents and the infotainment system. It's so damn nice, guys. As we talk about the sides, it is also a slick type of design right here, like the wheels, the stock P4C12 wheels over there. It's really nice. And the best part is its engine compartment, guys. Like, the glass on it is so clean. Like, it's so damn exact. I really love the precisions over there, guys. And Yeah, talking about the rear, it misses the tail lamps. That's a bit of a disappointment right there. And I totally forgot to mention, this spoiler right here looks fixed, but it's actually removable, guys. We can place a larger spoiler in case if you're willing to tune this car. So yeah, I really like the diffusers too, it's very nice. And as we move on to the rear, yup, it has fairly standard things like the on and off switch. You've got the battery compartment here, you've got to place the batteries in, you've got the charging socket right here, you've got the wheel alignments over here. So yeah, it's pretty standard. I really like it, and the best part is its detailing, guys. I really love the orange color. I just forgot to mention that. It's so damn cool, guys. So yup, there you have it, the features and details, guys. If it did not miss the tail lamp detailing and the power indicator and remote, I would have given it a 10 on 10, but the ratings for this car is 9.5, guys. I give it a 9.5. Do comment your ratings down below, as we don't have the viewers' cars this time. So yeah, I think there is no one interested in it. Well, yeah, but if you do want to see your car come up in my videos, just share your car's image to my Gmail. It's in the description, guys. So I'll see you all next week, guys, with another car, or probably this one too. So yep, guys, stay tuned. Bye bye. Oh, and one more thing, guys, stay safe. The COVID-19 is killing people. So yep, guys, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye now. Stay tuned too.